funky ass nigga.
Coming out to save. I got a little Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the.
Hey y'all, I'm back. As you can see, I have another hairstyle. I really like this hairstyle. It's nice and natural. You know, my hair is really long, babes. Do not play. But we're here at a boat party. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready. I'm so excited.
Just follow the pink flags to get down there.
Follow the pink flags?
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are those at?
So you're gonna go down and then like around the roundabout.
Yeah, but we're going to a boat party. You see, babe, we have our... you can't really see it because it's bright.
You're about to see in just a second.
Yeah, we got a little bit too thick.
Okay.
And it rose up. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to show y'all. So before I get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all the baddies, the niggas, the shaking ass, and the chains dangling. But yeah, y'all.
Follow the pink flag?
Isn't that the flag right there? Yeah, you can go down
I
there.
don't know. I'm following it.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look.
Oh, shit. Am I going the wrong way?
We're trying to, we're trying to find, you know, parking.
Oh.
But we're trying to find out our parking situation. But yeah, it's about to be a vibe. You already know, Don Julio. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all with us. I can't wait to go see my outfit. Okay. All right, y'all. So basically, the boat is not here yet.
He told us early so we won't be late. Okay.
Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a up close scenery, right, babe? Just to let y'all know, bae loves water, so she is in her element.
I wasn't even looking at the camera. Hey, y'all.
Show my
So
outfit.
they literally told us, like, they told us to be here by 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
But I think they told us that because they know black people. They
We're
know
all black,
people.
and they knew.
And all the black people are always late, so they told us early so that we won't be late. So now the boat don't come for another 30 minutes, but that's cool though.
So you know what I should have done? I should have rolled me a blunt. Because I should have done that. Show them my outfit, man. So y'all, I have this orange, you know, chili ass, and
Yes.
this nice thing. So yeah, y'all, it's gonna be a good time. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, y'all, we about to start walking to the boat, but I'm gonna let y'all take a look at how many people, how many vehicles there are pulling up, how many of everything. Faye is in the car getting herself together before we leave. But yeah, y'all, I'm definitely about to show y'all our turn up. I'm twerking on the car, twerking in traffic, Don Julio bottles on the head, like that's what I'm talking about, y'all. So yeah, just enjoy, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all everything. Promise, I got that. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all see how much, oh my gosh, people? God, zam. We know that's our people over there. Wham, whammy. Yeah, I should have went certified. But I wouldn't have been able to show off my bathing suit.
Don't leave at 3 o'clock.
The thing is, both of them 4, but I think we're the other one. My lace would have been off by 4.
I'm about to strap it right on down.
What? What? What are you looking at? Why? All kinds of people everywhere. This is why. You want to tell them why we don't come to these things? Why?
Well, she wants to look at chocolate booties.
Turn around. Why would I look at anyone else's?
Akachi.
Okay, babe.
Don't fucking play with me.
Bro. I'm already sweating from the stress. But chocolate booties. Yeah, I am crying.
I'm about to go get it.
Yeah, because it's hot as shit. Remember,
Is the umbrella in the car?
yeah. So y'all, as you can see, everyone's here. It's vibes all around. The drinks are out, and we're completely sober. But we won't be by the end of this. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to show y'all. But yeah, we'll continue to show y'all. I'm just getting lit because everybody's lit. So yeah.
Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Put so many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pee, rich, get you both. Gator Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her. She must ain't took a mix.
Okay, y'all. So we're currently in the line right now. I'm gonna show y'all how many people are here. Wait, I'm gonna show them the.
I mean, I don't hate it. I'd rather not be in the snow. Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
All the way down from me. 1, 2, 3.
Don't want to be in the snow. All right, y'all. So we're about to sign in.
Not slide on up.
There's 2 floors to the boat, so.
Lit vibes. Only.
You better fall.
Hey, quit that shit. Your booty's gonna break my whole dog, girl. You're making it clap back there. All right, did you vlog that?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. So I sign my own name and yours?
No, put agent. Sure.
Okay.
Signing mine.
Okay.
Hey, y'all just remember, if you're in the shade now, it doesn't mean you will be later. I was gonna turn around.
We gonna go by Hippie Hollow?
Not on this thing. It takes too long to get out there, unless you rent it for 8 hours. Yeah, it takes us like an hour to get over there. 1, 2, 3, guys. Just pray agent sign for me.
Okay.
Print agent signature, please.
Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, it's wet. Babe, I'm getting right in the water. I'm getting. Babe doesn't think I'm about to get in the water, but I'm going to get in the water. I'm natural, and that's what we're doing today.
I'm right at home because I love the water, y'all.
I love the water.
I love the water. I'm right where I'm supposed to be.
You want to tell them what we did last time on the boat? What happened when you were on the boat last?
Oh, last time we were on the boat, babe stirred. Like, she steered the steering
Yeah.
wheel. Like, it was for my birthday a couple years ago. It was so nice.
I was steering the actual boat, like, but I can't drive this big bitch. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, always putting out the good content for y'all all summer long. But yeah, y'all, just get your blank, get your drink, and just, you know, turn up with us.
Ooh, they got that ice.
Yeah.
That's gonna be it. That's what's gonna keep us cool.
Okay, y'all, so we're on the boat, but they're going to say some safety, you know, some safety tips before we get in the water. So yeah. Man.
I wanna know who did that. You heard in the red? I heard ladies.
Ooh. She need a bottle of water. That's all. That's it. I'm getting straight in the water, but I'm gonna take my break. No, it's okay. I'm gonna wait. Captain Sugar Tit. Well, I guess we can say you.
I want some.
Go ahead.
Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Stay with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Yes, the reggaeton. Let's go. I'm ready.
Right.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Listen. I know. I'm from Miami, so that's why I'm like, I hear it. I know. I'm alert. I hear it.
Oh, they leaving.
They don't eat it up.
They over there cooking. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, my hair is pretty damn crazy. As you can see, there's the most people behind us. And you can take a look over there. Okay.
So you going back with your friends, so down there,
Yeah, jumping.
Go.
And then this is the pool party. It's been a lit time at the pool party. And all I can think about is doing my hair when I go home.
My bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Out in the country, that's where it.
Alright, some of y'all look confused. Y'all ain't know how to do that one. Y'all ain't know how to do that one. It's okay. I'll play some of y'all know. I'll do one y'all know. Everybody know this one.
Say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties sitting pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be. You tryna see what's up? He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch, look pussy bitch dirty. She like Stacey, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck you, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck you, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Just left town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ready? My son need a new pappy. Y'all, as you can see, if I don't get to close out this video properly, this is my way of closing the video out. But I just have some advice for everybody, and it's basically live your fucking life, you know? Don't let nobody tell you how to live your life. Don't let anybody tell you that what you do is not right. You know what I'm saying? Just be you and never let nobody tell you they can't be you. So, yeah, y'all. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And you know I'm always coming with the bangers. Y'all seen all the chocolate mommies and the chocolate daddies and the shit like that. That shit was crazy, but yeah. Like up this content, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
Hey yo, Red, my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat it pretty pussy. Now he keep trying to link. I'm pimpin' Pinky Ring. His ex is a smanky dink. I'm about to pop a thingy, then sip on this drinky drink. Get the grip with my bitches dip. Nigga with my tip. I'm a flip like 100 bricks. Get back on my list. I'm a bitch. I want fish and grits. Throwing hissy fits. I ain't talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tip.